Go get it, Cassandra.
Look, all you gotta do,
What the?
instead of running around, yeah, just do the fist.
Go down the steps. Okay, punch those guys sideways.
Wait, don't take them away. All you gotta do is stand still.
Holy crap. Oh my god, this looks so ridiculous. Stay in one spot. Stay in one spot. Just hit them. That looks so funny.
Stay in one spot, baby.
He's kicking your butt.
Hold one hand up in the air, baby, and hold one at him.
Hold one hand up in the air, and then one at him. Hold your hand up in the air.
No. Hold one hand in the air. Hold one hand at him. There you go. Hold it.
Hold it, hold it.
No, hold it. It is there. Okay, hold it.
Do it again. Does she not have any electricity left?
Yeah, she does.
Oh man, just kick his butt. Just punch him, kick him, whatever. What the?
That's that, baby. After you die, it's 6%, okay?
I have 3.
What the? Go get him, Cassandra, go get him. Where are you?
Okay.
You died? Oh, me.
So your mom got 102,000.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.